Missing girls in Jamaica. Stick around, guys, and you will see what's taking place in Jamaica. This is the latest. Also, an intro video for reminding you to subscribe and like. Guys, as bad as it is already, we just want to spread awareness. You see me? Winshae Barrett is the latest missing girl. Look on the picture, guys. Make sure you make you know if you see her anywhere. Same place too, in St. Thomas, where this young girl, the first one, Phylisa, you see me, did abducted, but she get found. Guess what? My hear say she in a desperate plea for safety of her abductor. You see me? So she reportedly, you see me, left with a trembling lips, guys. If I get to me, I say Phylisa Prussia. You see it when she get found. She say, just don't kill him. You see me? What that for sure, no say people. What that show, you know, how much love in a child. You see me, remember say them born innocent and I like them are in control and nothing said where something's out of them position. And that for sure, no say, are them corrupt kids both, yeah. Bright dog. Imagine one found and next one missing. No dog, no dog. Sitting not set right. So that little girl about 3:30 p.m. You see me, on Rhine Road in Bath. You see me, St. Thomas. You see me. Call that number on your screen, guys, if you see her. Yo, when TJ say, yo, you don't see them now no respect for we. I no joke thing. You see me? Them people are not no business, but you them from them side. No dog, St. Thomas, how not going so? How not really are going so? Make sure my heart and the liar good. Papi I try to do what him can do, because dog not there at Jamaica. Him say love how everybody has support to find a little girl. We should do it often. We should do it often. You see it? To protect the community, no lie. End of the day still, you see me, to make it look away. Just where you come from. You see me, guys? You don't know it come down. You see me? No lie, guys. So, that man have a few words ourselves said we. If nobody now speak up about it, we don't care.
That's why community people should start live loving because of this stuff. And I feel live loving we put together. You know, I feel live loving we put together. Loving have nothing to do with it. Because when they want a community watch, nobody not perfect. Like them a peep, them a mania. Sometimes when you talk about things, I don't know. Listen. No live loving and no community have nothing to do with this here. Them man they sit down and premeditate what them are gonna do. Them man they professional pan them thieving skills and them raping skills and them type of skills there. I could have opened the community 100 blood clot and I must say. If you pick the right hand, my parents them knows. And the man go take him off at the veranda, what could the community do? Sometimes I don't chat too much to man, shut up on no bomb clot. Because some man can talk about community people live good. I want to live blood clot but I watch people. Where? I only live bad in the community them sometimes. Cause live good and live bad and have nothing to do with it. You see the man that capture the picnic right and the people them blood clot knows. The man sit down and map out and premeditate and know who going to grab, who going to take all of that. Community don't have nothing to do with this thing here. No have nothing to do with this thing here. No have nothing to do with it. People are taking people and people and they know so you're not blood clot sick. Them a man, them a rape a man and them a thief and them a type of man here. Them premeditate ends. Just like our gunman that sit down and premeditate and know say alright then. In a later I broke a shop here. And the shop I broke and nobody does see who broke the blood clot shop. I same thing. See him like one man that premeditate and say, oh, tonight I broke the house there. And 100 people in the blood clot house. And the man dig out the window and go into the house and take out everybody fast as him said and God, we don't know till they like the house broke. So what you say about community people, miss, or whosoever and so, but we live loving. Loving don't have nothing to do with this. The world is coming to a fucking end. And there'll be a wicked things we are saying up now with your eyesight. And they come like, well, we now see if uplift and believe in a God and take up blood clot God. Because them something else are sure we say. The world are end. Because could have what kind of man this? That's it. They look for a community big and the man escape. Eh? The world is coming to an end. We have to up now, we are right now and seek Father God. Wull are we? All are we? Wull are we? Have to sit down right now and believe in a God I will never believe. Sit down and chat to God. Because some things that happened since lately, the world is coming to an end. And I feel like a chattings. You see, first COVID come and take over the whole world. People just are dead so. Then man just come and tell me picnic so. Picnic they take me all along, yes. But not so back to 5 minutes time and 10 minutes time. Oh, Clark, youth. World is coming to an end. We have to sit down and we have to go sit down with God and talk to God. Because some things will happen right now. Them a little joy here is something here. The man take a picnic and find Barrett and I like say the picnic got shop. And I like him got shop or some men going to teeth him. Right under him family them knows after the Barrett and take the picnic. They go so Baba again and go with the next picnic again in a less than 20 minutes. You know see a sign them a stop me here. I don't think I joke to Bumbuckler. You know your people at town think I joke. You never see so much picnic and miss so fast. In a seconds. A seconds is a while ago, you know. Just as the whole Jamaica, they pray for the little picnic and I say, thank God, he's fine. No, we get one next picture, we put out in less than a couple minutes. I say, Ray. They must stop me a sign, bad man. Earl I come to a end, I don't know what this job. Why I pick them up for your face? Why the picking them up for your face? Look how much girl your background that sell pussy for 2 bills and 5 bills and 3 bills. I pick the nature on have so much girl there back road you can go buy a fuck fam. Buckler youth. What back road girl a buy right now so business slow. You know go buy a fuck man. What the phone upon front so for pitney? That's Christ. Me heart a leap and a bleed. Did I say me heart a leap, you know? Come here. Come here. Come this. Don't kiss a jar. Come here. I'm not sad out. It's my jar. It's my jar nice. Okay, baby. Love you. Not gonna know it to nobody, alright? Nobody at all, okay? Nobody. Made that me. God know me that me. True me that at me. Made that at me for true man. Jesus Christ. What the pin them do no? Oh God. You deserve all of this. That's why sometimes you go. Copy the nice. Come here, yeah. Copy the nice. I'm on that. Make all of you come by have the big sweet here. Oh, sweetie. Copy the nice. Say hi to you live.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hi. Hello.
Say good night.
Good night.
Okay. I never hear what I'm a sweetie take too.
Well, what's that city?
Stickers.
Stickers?
You know what I know? No, I'm not get a whole bag, sister. Sure you may talk about pick you have a whole stick. It's go on, lady. Sweet, are you? Them catch you, I don't know catch you, but I don't know you know me catch you. I don't know because social media too confusing and confusing too. This meat don't catch man if you don't catch man.
Oh, I don't know. Because you never tell me about them catch it blood clot, man.
Yeah.
All of a sudden,
Yeah,
man take with somebody else.
Does that wrap the job with soya blood?
That's all I know.
I like.
Oh.
Let me rock up my job boy. Like it.